way development has been going in Cape Ann, it's very important to document streams and vernal ponds, and Rick has been working for several years with a good group to document vernal ponds and educate people on the environment. Anything you'd like to say, Rick?
Yeah, well, we have been around since 1990, and we're a small but dedicated group. Our goals are vernal pond education and conservation, and we've created some awareness in a few different ways. Created a couple of posters and a video.
The quacking sound of the male wood frog, also an obligate species, attracts a female for breeding in early spring. The male crawls onto the female's back and fertilizes the eggs as she lays them. These are wood frog egg masses. Totally dependent on vernal ponds, the aquatic fairy shrimp is an obligate species. These back-swimming crustaceans grow to 1.5 inches in length. They are an important food source for larger animals in the pond. Before the pond dries, those fairy shrimp that survive predation will lay their eggs. When the pool fills again, the eggs will hatch. Obligate species, spotted salamanders, wood frogs, and fairy shrimp are required to spend all or part of their life cycle in vernal ponds. Many other kinds of animals and plants, though not obligated, make use of vernal pond habitat. Buttonbush is common in vernal ponds. The sweet blossoms are the favorites of butterflies and other insects. Arrowhead, also known as duck potato, produces starchy tubers eaten by ducks and muskrats. Blue flag, high bush blueberry, flower, and fruit. Meadowsweet, St. John's wort, swamp loosestrife, sweet pepperbush, swamp rose, winterberry, swamp candle. While not restricted to vernal ponds, many kinds of animals live, breed, and eat in them. Microscopic creatures feed on plants and decaying leaf litter, and each other. Copepods are among the many kinds of animal life which become food for larger animals in the pond. The caddisfly larva, an important vernal pond insect, constructs a protective case of spun silk, which it covers with materials from the pond. In late spring, it will emerge as an adult, resembling a small brown moth. Other insects share the pond with the caddisfly. The aquatic dragonfly larva will climb out of the pond, emerge from its skin, and become an adult dragonfly. Dragonflies often patrol the area to feed on other insects that hatch out of the pond. The predaceous diving beetle larva, or water tiger, is a voracious vernal pond feeder. They will eat tadpoles when they can catch them. The adult predaceous diving beetle. This giant water bug is over 2 inches long. Whirligig beetles, damselfly. A sawfly larva feeds on buttonbush. Monarch butterfly. Leech. Some kinds of leeches require a fishless habitat. The mating call of the male spring peeper can be heard from half a mile. This tiny frog is a frequent vernal pond breeder but they also breed in other wetlands. American toad. Toads lay eggs in long strands. Some tadpoles survive to become adult toads. Most are eaten by other animals. Green frog. Bullfrogs feed on any available small animals, including insects, salamanders, frogs, even mice. Pickerel frog. Gray tree frog. Red-spotted newt. Because of declining populations in Massachusetts, the spotted turtle is listed as a species of special concern. The garter snake is a frequent vernal pond visitor that benefits from abundant frog populations. It may become prey for other animals, including the milk snake. Vernal pools are way stations for many migratory birds, offering food and nesting sites. A wood duck and a pair of mallards